guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, you're very most welcome. If you're returning for another segment, welcome. So today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to draw your eyebrows, curve your eyebrows, whatever name they call it. When your eyebrows are untrimmed or unwaxed, I'll just show you guys the process, what I do, because I usually don't wax my eyebrows that often. Like the last time I waxed my eyebrow currently is 1 month ago. So I just felt like I needed to share this type of video, and I hope you guys like it. So the things you will need in order to properly trim your eyebrows is, first of all, you need a mirror. I'm using this mirror from Dollarama and it was $3. I use these two types of scissors. That thing you need, it's a eyebrow brush or eyebrow comb. This is what it looks like. This part is like this and this part is like this. And you just need a pair of eyebrow pencil and a concealer, or you could also use an eyebrow gel. This one was from BH Cosmetics and this is how it looks like inside. Flat brush and a concealer. I'll be using the LA Girl concealer. I'll be looking towards this way. The first thing you want to do is comb out your eyebrows. Can you see how bushy mine is? Then I go in with the spoolie because I have coily eyebrows, so I do that. I go in with the spoolie to make sure all my eyebrows are out, and you see how bold it looks compared to how it looks. So this is what you do. And depending on the shape you're going for, I would say trim the eyebrow hair carefully. I use the scissors, you guys. I do not like to tweeze my eyebrows. I don't know. I've tried a couple of times and my entire face went red for a while. So I rather just trim my eyebrows and it works out for me. So do you. Like, you could use a tweezer or just use the scissors. It's all up to you, whatever you like. I only trim the top of my eyebrows because I feel like I don't really need an arched eyebrow, because look at, I don't know if you guys can see this, but the underneath of my eyebrow ain't that bad. So yeah, so what I do, I just trim the ends to get a slimmer finish and trim the curve over here. So I'm bringing my mirror closer just to make sure I don't make any mistakes. So let's do this. Then I hold the scissors this other way. Trim lightly, like go in step by step. Don't like swoop in and cut a huge chunk, because that is disaster. After that, I always go back to brush to see what I just did. And as you guys can notice, this side is smaller. I will fix that real quick. And I feel like it's better to take your eyebrows up when you do this, to really see what you're up to. Oh, I just wanted to add that, guys, I only use a sterilized scissors. I do not share the scissors. I only use the scissors for my eyebrows, nothing else. I don't trim anything else using the scissors. And I would only recommend you use a smaller scissors. Do not use a big ass scissors to do this. If you do that, I don't know, show me the results. So this is currently what it looks like. If you notice up here, there is still like a lot of hair here, so I will just trim the up side. You always need to go in and brush it out to be sure. So this is how I leave the eyebrows. I like mine just like this. It's not perfect. It is way better to wax and trim, but I'm just that girl that I don't feel like I need to do it every time. Plus it's money. This is what I'll be doing. I start by outlining. Slowly coming together. You do not want to overline your eyebrows. Like if your eyebrows stop here, you line it further away, because sometimes it looks cute, but people that do know you will tell that something is just off about your face. Like you might do that and it works for you, but people that have seen your natural face, it will just look so off. Anyways, so after I've done this, I usually do not put any line up here. I just go into the eyebrow and add more color. Going with this pulley, this and last pulley, and I brush it out. I go over this way. You need to brush your eyebrows or blend it out, because when you go in with the eyebrow pencil to fill it in, the eyebrow pencil only like fills out a certain point, and let's not forget that it's going to be solid strokes. So you don't want your eyebrows to have like this part is filled out, this part is not filled out, like have patches. So you see, like as I brush it out, it looks really good and really nice. I go in with my flat brush and I go in with my concealer in Toffee. You see, it's coming together. Sometimes I use my actual foundation to conceal the top of my eyebrows when I'm extremely lazy and I don't just see the need to, or I don't just feel like blending a lot. If you notice, I always like take my eyebrow up. It's just something that happens automatically, and I feel like it helps me out to make my eyebrow look good. You know, because if it's down here, everything is like folded up. Like I have hooded eyes, so everything is like folded up. When I look up like this, the eyebrows are like stretched out to its maximum, so you get it precisely. Use a brush like this that has no product on it and just clean it up. Like right now, I used very little product of concealer, so my eyebrows are not like harsh. But sometimes when I use a lot, you have to keep going into blend, because you don't want to have a hello eyebrow, and it just looks better when everything is blended out. It gives you a more natural look. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys do like this method. Give it a try. It's not difficult. I didn't make it look easy. It actually looks that way. It saves time and cost your coins. It saves your coins. So as you guys all know, eyebrows are not twins, meaning they are not identical. They are sisters, meaning they try to look alike. So I gave this my hardest try, and I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please leave a comment and click the video. Also check out my other video showing somewhere here in the screen. Give it a click and continue the process. Love you all, and don't forget to share this video as well. Bye.